Hi friends, welcome back to your English Linguist, where we have fun learning every day. Today we're learning about quadrigraphs. Let me give you a quick introduction to quadrigraphs and its importance. A quadrigraph is a combination of 4 letters that come together to make a single sound, such as a in 8. Understanding quadrigraphs is important because they help learners decode and spell more complex words accurately. They build on phonics knowledge and improve reading fluency. Let's learn about the phonics sounds of quadrigraphs. eigh, ough, sion, tion. Eigh sounds like a. Examples: 8, wait, neighbor, sleigh. Ough sounds very irregular. This is a tricky one for learners. Examples: rough, tough, enough, sounds f, though, although, sounds o, through, sounds ooh, thought, sounds or, bow, sounds owl. Sion sounds like shun and jun. Examples: mission, tension, sounds shun, explosion, vision, sounds jun. Tion sounds like shun. Examples: nation station education action. Summary: phonics helps learners decode words by matching sounds to letters. But English has many exceptions that don't follow phonics rules. That's why building vocabulary and using context is key to understanding meaning. Together, phonics, vocabulary, and context make strong, confident readers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.